Hey everybody, Botanicated here. Hope you guys can hear me okay. I'm shooting this off of my phone. It has been a while since I've made a video, and so I figured I'd hop on here real quick and just kind of show you guys what I'm up to. Even though it's been a while since I made a video, I'm always working on something or got my hands in some kind of dirt. So I'd like to kind of try and maybe revive this channel a little bit and make some more videos since I've had some subscribers lately join in. And I'm always doing some kind of gardening. As you can see here, this is my outside garden, my south-facing outdoor patio. Looks like my jalapeno plant needs a little water. But no, I wanted to make a video today on a seed haul. I just ordered a bunch of seeds from a couple different vendors and want to kind of let you guys see what I have gotten. Lately, I've been getting rid of a lot of my plants that are not necessarily crop plants or harvestable plants. With everything going on in the world today, I've just kind of went a little survival mode. And so, that entails getting a good seed bank going, getting a lot of things together that you can grow at home. What I like to kind of keep in mind is if I wasn't able to go to the grocery store, what would I be able to grow on my own so I wouldn't have to do without? And so I've been collecting for a while. I got a pretty big bank up in the refrigerator, which I'll do another video on that. But just made another recent order. I'm always making orders. I'm always getting ideas of different seeds. And so I figured I'd kind of show you what this order consisted of. So 4 different orders here. This first one is, 2 of them are from big vendors. 2 of them are from small vendors. I figured I'd be a little fair here. I appreciate the small farmers and the seed collectors and the vendors as well, and I want to give them their proper shout out because basically that's what I am myself. So also love some big companies. There's a lot of good big companies out there that are doing great. The 2 I have here, the first one is Territorial Seed Company, and so this is what I got from them. All right, so let's see. The first one I got is organic Italian sweet peppers. These look really good. I love to cook, and so this is something I wanted to at least be able to provide for myself if I needed to be, or if I couldn't find it anywhere else. You have to keep that in mind. If you're unable to find the food you want because of a food shortage, how are you going to get it? A lot of times you can take some foods and get seeds from them or grow them if they're some kind of root crop, but if you can collect now, I would. And so, like I said, these are peppers, organic Italian sweet. Good packaging that Territorial does, and I've always went to them for years. I've gone to Territorial Seed Company, and so I've never had a problem with them. Always had a really good germination rate on everything they've sent. And so that's those. Next, I got some carrots. These look like really good carrots that I got, so I kind of jumped on those. There's not a lot of things left in stock in a lot of the seed banks, but so if you can get in there and get them while you can, I would. So this is a Rodelica pelted traditional carrot. Got some herbs, some dill. We've been lately taking cucumbers and making our own pickles with them. And my wife wanted to make sure I had a good stock of dill, so we got some of that as well. Sangria F1 watermelon. It looked good. What can I say? I heard the name Sangria and it sold me. So I'm a sucker for marketing, I guess. But I got some good watermelon seeds that we'll try with these. Basil, different kinds of basil. I've got several kinds in the bank already, but I got some more. You never know what you'll use basil for, and if you like to cook, you can always use it for something. Chives. This is another request from my wife. She wanted to make sure I was growing some chives. I guess she has some things that she'll make with those. So yeah. And when you get seeds, you can always grow these out, and even if you don't use them or harvest them or do anything with them, you can get more seed, and therefore you kind of continue your seed bank and your seed stock, and the fresher they are, the more viable they are. Calypso. What is this? Let's see what we got. Oh, this is cilantro. So love cilantro. I love, Spanish foods, and so a lot of Spanish foods and even Indian foods have a lot of cilantro in them, so I got some cilantro because we love it. Not a lot of people do, but we do. More watermelons. Let's see. Which one is this one? There was one that we got because it was yellow. Let's see. I think the mini love, or these are just, no, these are small ones. These are a small watermelon. Deep red, sweet, juicy flesh. So that's a red one, but a small one. So kind of like a personal one. And these are the yellow ones. So we got these because we've gotten these in the store before. Really good. I don't think I've ever had as good of a watermelon as I have a yellow watermelon. So we made sure we got some of these in case we can't ever find any more again, and which we haven't. I mean, I think it's been a couple years and we have not found those yellow watermelons again. Anaheim peppers. Love Anaheims. Like I said, I like to cook, so I got me a little pepper collection going. These will go with the other ones that I have in the bank. All right, so the next one I'm going to pull out here is a little vendor off of Etsy. So I don't even remember really what I bought, so I'm going to see. Oh, so this next pack of seeds is purple kale. I was looking for some purple kale off of another larger site, and it was sold out. And so I went to Etsy and found some gourmet purple kale. The gardener I got this from on Etsy is Tat Gardener, T-A-T-T Gardener. He didn't leave a card or anything in here, which is a good idea if you're a little private seed vendor or gardener. Just keep that in mind. But these are kind of rare, so try to get these just to try them out, see how they taste, and maybe make more seed. The next one is from Baker's Creek. I'm sure you've probably heard of Baker's Creek, very popular seed company, quality seeds. So bear with me while I grab these out of here. All right, so the first one, as you can see, mustard. It's a Japanese giant red. This was actually the free seed that they gave me with my order, so that's super cool. They always do that, always include freebies. So very cool. Thank you guys again for that. I like free stuff. Peppers. As you know, I'm starting a little pepper collection, so I'm getting different kinds. Gorbachi. I don't remember why I bought this one. Probably one of the ones I just thought looked interesting and clicked on it. So yeah, that'll go in the pepper seed collection. Beans. So beans are a staple, right? I mean, if you go to the store, you can't find beans. Beans have a lot of protein, a lot of vitamins, so beans are always a good thing to keep. Again, I like ethnic foods, so you know I like to make different kinds of things with the beans. I even like black bean burgers. I'm not a vegetarian. I went pescatarian for a couple years, but I still like the black bean burgers, and if I ever needed a meat substitute, I could probably make them out of these. So, not tried the black turtles, but I'll let you know how they go. Let's see. Cucumbers. So, like I was saying earlier, we've been pickling our own cucumbers and making pickles. So I got a Boston pickling cucumber. They come a little bit smaller, I think, probably a little fatter than your normal cucumber. Kind of bred solely for pickling, but I want to do a little bit more of that. So very cool variety. Blue kale. They have different kinds of kale, and I wanted to get some exotic kales, and so I picked up on this one. They're out of a lot of the other ones. You know, I've never seen Baker Creek out of seeds until this year, and man, there's a lot of stuff that's been picked over. So if you see this video and you're looking or thinking of getting seeds, you better hop on it, especially if you're going to them, because they're a very popular seed bank and people are trusting them and going to them and really stocking up their banks. So eggplant, I don't have any eggplant seeds, and so you know, figured why not do a little eggplant parmesan one day maybe. So I got me a few. And a lot of people, you know, they're like, you didn't get a lot. Well, no, because typically it's just enough for my family. I do a harvest, and then I'll keep seeds and keep them going. That's the thing with me. Once I get something in seed, I typically don't have to buy more because I like to collect my own. So yeah. Cubanelli peppers, another big pepper. I love pepper. I love roasted peppers, poblanos, and different kinds. So I wanted to try this one. This is just something for the pepper collection that I've got going. I don't have anything too hot besides jalapenos, and these ain't extremely hot, but I'm sure they'll be good. We'll try them. We'll roast them. Maybe I'll make a video of it. Stuff them with cheese or something. Another pepper. Don't have a lot of bell pepper seeds, so I got some. We'll try these. Du Espenje. I can't pronounce it. I'm not even going to try. Spanish mammoth. So This is an older heirloom variety, and I'm sure that the description on their website is what caught my attention, or probably lack of things being left, to be quite honest with you. Great seed bank, but like I said, there's definitely a rush to get seeds nowadays. And this is another wife request, cauliflower. I'm not a huge cauliflower fan. She loves cauliflower, so I'm going to try and grow her some probably next season. All right, last packet. This is another little private personal vendor, smaller vendor on Etsy I found. I go to Etsy for a lot of things. I used to be a big eBayer, but Etsy's, when it comes to little handmade personal things, I like to go to them. So we care, eco-friendly. Nice, good. All right, so let's see what we got. So the farm, the seedery or the farm, whatever it is that she wants to call it, is the nimblenightcap.com. So you can check them out there. And let's see what we got. So free seeds, some zinnias. I'm actually growing some zinnias. My wife will like that. Love zinnias. Here's another freebie, long red cayenne. Well, they might have given me more freebies than seeds I ordered. So nice, cayenne peppers. Love some cayennes. Poblano, and so this is what I went for with them, is the poblano peppers. I wanted to get some of these because, again, I like Mexican dishes, I like Latin foods, and I like all kinds of different ethnic foods. I like to cook. I'm not too shabby at it. So had to get some poblano peppers just in case I can't find any in the coming future. And for mole sauce, I got the mole pepper, and so that's kind of hard to find, to be quite honest with you. And so I was happy to get this one. This one is a chocolate brown pepper. It comes out chocolate brown. That's what they make the mole sauce out of. So there you go. All right, folks. Well, that is the mail order seed haul I got. I always do my seeds through mail order because I don't honestly have some really good places close to me that provide the organic heirlooms like they do, and that's what I want. So, all right. Hope you guys like this video. I'll try and be making more. I'll try and make more videos. So until next time, grow your own.